high above the clouds, there is a place where everything becomes silent. The air is cold, light, endless. Breathe slowly, as if the wind were moving through your entire body. And as you exhale, leave behind the weight of the world. Imagine an ancient temple hidden among the mountains, surrounded by mist, stone, and silence. Nothing needs to move here. Everything is already in balance. With every breath, your mind becomes clearer, like clouds slowly drifting across the sky. No effort, no pressure, only space. Listen to the silence between the sounds, the space between each breath, the vastness surrounding you. If a thought appears, simply observe it and let it disappear slowly into the clouds, like an echo fading through the mountains. The body becomes lighter, calmer, more open, as if the air itself were breathing with you. Within you, there is a place that remains still, clear, silent, like a temple suspended above the clouds. And for a moment, you no longer need to search for answers. Only breathe, listen, and remain here.